We're getting there. So we're thinking on the turbos, we're gonna do a 90 degree or 180 degree bend to about right here. So the turbos are gonna sit right next to the header. And then I got, this came in the mail. This is a 2-in-1 intercooler. So that'll be a lot less piping. So we're gonna scratch this whole idea on this intercooler, because that'd be just too much piping to run with. So with the turbos on each side of the headers, we're gonna run the pipe down through here, straight into the intercooler on both sides, and then I'm gonna run the pipe through the side of the radiator right here, straight up into the intake. I do have a 92mm throttle body with cable throttle. It is automatic. This is gonna be a gasser. Turbo 300 or Turbo 350 transmission. This is actually my old LS swap blazer until I got the Extreme here. He's running a 602 crate motor. This turned into his project after I got the Extreme here. I guess we'll have to see which one's better, the old school carburetor or the new school fuel injection with the turbos. I don't know. He's like over 500 pounds lighter than me, give or take, because this is the actual base model of the base model Blazer. It's right here, and mine is fully loaded with the sunroof, so it's gonna weigh quite a bit more because he's also scrapping his interior, so he could end up being 1,000 pounds lighter than me. Don't know. I guess we'll have to wait until we put him on the scale and we're both going. Right now he's just putting a new fuel pump on.
Yeah, just the fuel pump.
And a few extra goodies. You ready for a little box opening? Like a tack. It's like an all-in-one tack.
You got the headlamp on, by the way.
Yep. Oh, look at that goodie. Looks like junk to me.
Fucking small shit.
Yeah, who needs them? So he's going to old gasser school with this 2000 Blazer, and I gotta go fuel injection with the 2002 Blazer.
Show him my adjustable front.
Yeah. She's all cranked up.
No, that's down right now.
Well, it's down, but he can adjust it. I mean,
What is it?
it's squatting a little bit, but he's gonna really bring the front end up. He wants to do wheelies. I don't think it's gonna be possible. I don't think that little carburetor has enough power.
I got the slicks.
Oh, we do got the slicks up there.
We should be around like 550 horsepower.
You should. And I'm hoping for 600 to 700. I'd probably push it more to 8. I do have cam coming. I got Pro rod bearings. I got ARP rod bolts. I already got the ARP head bolts. I got radiator, all aluminum radiator with aluminum shroud and dual fans coming. They should be all here in the next few days. Look for a video this weekend as we're going to be rebuilding this whole motor top to bottom. It's getting brand new bearings all the way around. And gaskets, you name it. Motor's going to be pretty much brand new. The cam is not a big cam, but it's a turbo cam. It should be good for at least 800. I really don't want to push more than 600 horsepower, or as I'm gonna have to be going bigger axles, bigger U-joints, the whole 9 yards. But I mean, we literally have everything to put these two together.
I'm missing drive shaft.
No, we got 2 drive shafts to pick from.
Too long.
Well,
Cut it down.
we'll figure it out.
We'll make one like the Nova. See how much it shakes.
The Nova. That poor thing just sitting outside.
It's a $400 beater.
Yeah, $400 64 Nova, you know.
92,000.
Not a big deal. 92,000 original mile car. It was numbers matching at one point in time until this guy decided it needed a bigger motor than that straight 6.
Where's my mower? I mean, come on. Go big or go home.
I mean, we got the... This is his mower, you know. It has to be badass and everything. It's a 26 horsepower motor. It's been bored and stroked. We were playing in mud a little bit today. I got my mower over here. It's an 18.5. We got the mud tires on it. We were both playing today. Both of us ended up breaking. Ended up having to walk right on back. Nothing's really changed with the Silverado. I mean, besides it needs O2 sensors and possibly a fuel pump, but still runs and drives. I'm gonna send it. We got the work vehicle. I mean, let me know if you guys want to have me post videos of all these oversized loads I do. I do everything. But here's the shop. Nothing really changing besides we have to clean this place up. Tomorrow we're making a scrap metal run. But I guess more to come later down the road. I'll see you guys this weekend when we're finally rebuilding this motor to actually withstand some power. Send it.